Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Kinder Beauty box for October. But before we get into that, I did want to mention a couple of items. The first being this Luna Light highlighter product from Jelly Pong Pong. I have it on my cheeks right here today, and it's nice. I thought it was going to be way too pink, way too in your face, but it's very subtle, and I think it's really pretty. That being said, I do think it could be built up to be something more if you need a little more va-va-voom in your life, but this is good for me on a day where I'm really not doing much besides chilling around the house and working, so really nice. The other item came a few boxes ago, and I wanted to kind of give my review on this. These are the Glamnetic lashes. So I wore these over the weekend with my Halloween costume, and I am a convert. They're so easy, they're so comfortable. Aside from the few I already own, these are the only lashes I'm going to be using. So, love these. Really, really pleased with the experience, and highly recommend. So now let's crack on into our Kinder Beauty box. Here's our card for the month with the descriptions of the 5 products, and let's go ahead and just grab one. This is from 3 Ships. It's their Dewdrops Mushroom Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin C Serum. So this is an $11.67 value, which is a little random. This hydrating and brightening serum champions tremella mushrooms? Tremella? I guess that's what it is. Tremella mushrooms, a natural source of highly coveted hyaluronic acid to replenish moisture deep in the skin. Pairing that with cockadoo plum, oh my god, that's a fun word, cockadoo plum, which contains 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. This mighty serum is all around excellent for your skin. So as always, I'm going to read the ingredients because that will be the real measure of if I'm going to use this product or not. So just from my brief reading, it's got limonene and it's got sweet orange oil. This is probably not something I'm going to put on my face, so I'll be passing this along to a friend. The next item is from Mudmasky, and this is their serum infused eye mask. So here's what that looks like. And this is a $49 value, which is quite expensive for this little tube. Specifically formulated for the thin, sensitive skin under your eyes, this serum-infused mask addresses fine lines and wrinkles, puffiness, and dry skin by delivering antioxidants and vitamin K, C, E, and D. Bye-bye dark circles, radiance awaits. So, the cat has been waking me up in the middle of the night a lot lately, so I'll definitely have many chances to give this a try. We'll see if it delivers on those many promises. The next item is from Fleur & Bee. It's the H2 Oh Yeah Hydrating Moisturizer. I love the name. The name is great. So let's read a little bit about this product. It's a $28 value. Skin feeling a little dull or dehydrated? Then you'll absolutely love this silky moisturizer that brings hydrating heroes hyaluronic acid and sea buckthorn oil together with shea butter and jojoba oil to restore and replenish. Oh yeah, we're hooked. Beauty tip, generously massage into face and neck at the last step in your skincare routine, both morning and night. So, we need to see the ingredients, because if it's something I'm leaving on my skin, the ingredients gotta be good. So let me go ahead and read these. So there are a few fragrant oils in here. Another item I'm not gonna keep, so I'm gonna give this away to a friend as well. The next item is from Ethique, and it's their Wombar Solid Shampoo for Normal Hair. I don't have normal hair, but I will certainly hold on to this and give it a try once I get through some more shampoos. But let's go ahead and read about it. This is a $17 value. Lather up with this gorgeous shampoo bar crafted with eucalyptus and lavender to shower, so your shower becomes a calming sulfate-free dream. Betaine, I don't know, from sugar beets and cocoa butter are proven to protect hair, reduce irritation, and balance hydration, planet friendly and hair happy. There is a brand of dry shampoo bars I really like. It's not this one. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head. I don't recall ever using this one, so we'll see if it's any good. But I always love trying a shampoo bar. The last item is this little set right here from Jill, and it's a shave starter kit. And let me read to you about it a little before I take the items out to show you. This is a $19 value, and it says, the secret is out. Everyone is dermaplaning for the most flawless and glowing skin. This gentle dermaplaning experience enhances collagen production, tightens skin, smooths tone and texture, helps remove acne scars, and allows for deeper penetration of skincare products. So I don't know if all those claims are true, but I can tell you that on the occasion, if you have a wedding or an event or something to go to and you do want to remove all the baby hairs from your face, it does make the makeup sit a little nicer. It's not something I do all the time, mostly because it's fussy and it takes time, and I already don't want to take the time to do my makeup most of the time, but it does leave a beautiful surface to apply makeup onto. That said, let's go ahead and see what comes in the kit. So we have a little microfiber cloth and the razor itself, and I suppose these are a few extra razor heads. So that's pretty cool. I'm not mad about this. I know some people were skipping this month because they just weren't interested in this, which I understand. I feel like it's something you're gonna do or something you just don't care for at all. But I think this is kind of fun, so I'm excited about that. So overall, 2 items I won't be using. So this is like $11, it's $28. So like $39, nearly $40 of product I'm not going to be using here because of the ingredients. But that said, this being a mask, I'm not as worried about the ingredients. I didn't even read the list, to be honest. And this is nearly $50 value, so that's pretty cool. This I'm not going to get to immediately. I don't see why a shampoo bar should be $17. I feel like that's a little expensive, but it's definitely something I'll use. And this shaver is something I'll use too, which, what was that, $20? So that's not bad. Value wise, I mean, obviously these values are completely arbitrary and just made up by the companies anyway. But I do wish like 2/5 of the box were something I would actually be interested in using. That is nearly half, so that's kind of annoying. I'm gonna give it like a B minus, B. It's all right. I mean, it's not the most exciting, it's not the least exciting. There are things here I'll use. So that's my assessment of the October Kind of Beauty box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you all later.